All right. To the left here, I have a copy of my thinking map for the writing with the hook prompt. I chose the islands of the Philippines because I found some articles that were interesting on it. First off, I have my hook and my topic here. The topic has to tell the country or the place and what problem you're talking about. So I divided my writing into two halves, the problem and solution, because that makes sense. So I put in blue here, I put my the evidence I found, and then I explained it and I left that in black, my own writing. And then I have my conclusion, restating topic, original thought. So here I have my writing, which I want to give a title. So that way, yeah, include your name. So if I get a chance to print these, I can read them up easier. Put it on your paper too. Title, here's my opening. Though the world is 70% covered by water, clean or fresh clean water is a challenge for most nations. One nation, the Philippines, a group of over 7,000 islands in the South Pacific, has struggled with access to clean water. So then I'm going to go to my first paragraph, which here's my topic. So the problem of clean water has severely affected the Philippines. I'm going to go with my first stat. I'm going to put transition. For example, 1 in 10 Filipinos, and that is not a typo, that's the way they spell when you call somebody from Philippines. For example, 1 in 10 Filipinos lacks access to clean water. So that's the say. That's what I read. So I'm going to add another kind of fact, but turn it into my own explanation. With a population of almost 82 million people that are almost 8 million people do not have clean water readily available. Okay, and you can fix the typos. Then I would continue on with the next part of the paragraph, which I'm going to kind of skip for time. So I would say, according to statistics from 2016, 139,000 people have died because of watery diarrhea, which is caused by viruses, bacteria, or parasites in the water. Then I'm going to follow with what it means. Poor water causes many potentially deadly diseases. And then I would put, if you want to wrap it up, you could put a concluding sentence on this paragraph that finishes up. So then I'm going to go to the next paragraph. State of the art desalination. This is how they take out salt from the water, kind of like our science, how you evaporate out water. Then I'm going to get to the conclusion, which I'm going to restate. Providing fresh, clean water is a health crisis that the Philippines needs to solve.